So this will be a very quick tutorial on how to get the SXP redone mod working for Skyrim Special Edition. So to jump just straight into it to waste no time, first you want to do is just download the SXP mod. You'll get the folder in whatever directory you have for all your Skyrim mods. It'll come with two files, a .bsa and .esp file. They're not here right now because I already messed with them, and I'll show you what to do, how to mess with them to get it working right. So first thing you want to do is download this off Nexus Mods. It'll be for that BSA file. It's a little application thing. It'll look like this. So get your BSA file by opening file. And just for reference, this is another XP mod. So it'll look like this. Open file, check it, extract it. And then what you want to do is you want to go to your directory that has your Skyrim Special Edition executable, like the actual game. Extract the contents of the BSA file into the data, and it should look like these ones: script, interface, and sequence. These three will be extracted, put them here, and that'll be all you need to do for the BSA file. Then what you want to do is go back into the original mod file and then delete the BSA file from there. Since you already fucked with it, you don't need it no more. And after that is done, you'll need a second application for the ESP file, the creation kit, which you get off Steam. And from what ChatGPT told me to do, what you need to do is go here to File, go to Data, I believe. And actually first what you're supposed to do is move the ESP file from the mod directory into the data directory, just like you did with the BSA file. It should be right here. It should be like titled sxp.esp. Once you do that, you can go here, go to File. You might have to import it from this directory here, from the Skyrim directory, into the creation kit. Double click it, make sure it's checked. I think you set it as active, press OK. It'll do its thing. It gave me a bunch of warning signs about stuff not being there. I completely ignored it because I didn't know what that meant. It still works for me, so hopefully it'll still work for you as well. So once you do OK, it'll do its thing. And then after its thing's done, you can just close it. And it should look like this. It should have the creation kit logo as SXP instead of just these little blank icons. So you should have the three from the extraction and then this from the ESP file. And then you can go ahead and delete it, the ESP file from the original mod folder. So once you do that, if you're using Mod Organizer like me, it should be right here saying unmanaged because it's in the data folder of the Skyrim location. And so once that is done, it should be pretty much in here. You should find it in the plugins tab right here as sxp.esp. Make sure that's checked. You shouldn't have to check the actual mod folder. You should just have to check this. It's working for me and I don't have this checked. And then hopefully it works like it did with me. Just make sure you have Sky UI in the MCM menu somewhere, MCM helper, so you can actually access the menu. And that's the way it worked for me, and hopefully this will be the way it worked for you as well.